Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Honorable Speaker Sir, I rise today with a heavy heart to address this august House regarding the recent and tragic air crash that occurred in Ahmedabad. The incident has left the entire nation shaken, with lives lost, families shattered, and serious questions emerging about our aviation safety standards. At a time when air travel has become a symbol of connectivity and national growth, such a catastrophe compels us to introspect, investigate, and take decisive corrective steps. The Ahmedabad crash, which claimed the lives of many innocent passengers and crew members, is not just an unfortunate event, it is a national tragedy. The magnitude of the devastation is such that every Indian, regardless of their state, language, or political affiliation, has felt a deep sense of loss. The visuals emerging from the crash site are haunting. Twisted metal, shattered hopes, and grieving families are what remain from what was supposed to be a routine flight. Our prayers and condolences go out to all those who have lost their loved ones, and to the injured, we wish a speedy and complete recovery. Sir, in this moment of mourning, we must also stand united in our resolve to find the truth. The nation demands answers. What went wrong? Was it a technical malfunction, human error, weather interference, or a lapse in regulatory oversight? These questions cannot be brushed under the carpet. Transparency and accountability are essential. The black box has been recovered, and I urge the concerned authorities to expedite the investigation and submit a comprehensive report to this House and to the people of India. This is not the first time such a calamity has struck us. We must remember Mangaluru, Patna, and other tragic air incidents in our country. After each incident, we speak of reforms, promise inquiries, and express sorrow, but somehow systematic reforms remain sluggish. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, the Ministry of Civil Aviation, and other stakeholders must now rise above routine procedures and demonstrate extraordinary vigilance and urgency. We cannot afford another such tragedy. It is imperative that the families of the victims are provided immediate financial compensation and long-term support. Money can never replace a loved one, but it can help in easing the burden that tragedy leaves behind. The government must also ensure that the airlines involved are held to their full legal and moral responsibility. Insurance claims should not become a bureaucratic struggle. I request the Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation to form a dedicated grievance redressal cell to aid affected families and guide them through the entire process. Sir, the state of emergency response and disaster management at our airports also needs a closer look. Reports suggest that it took longer than expected for rescue operations to reach the site, and there was confusion among ground staff and emergency services. While we are proud of our brave firemen, police personnel, and local volunteers who rushed to help, it is evident that our preparedness is not yet at the level it should be. We need better equipment, faster protocols, and regular drills to prepare for any such mishap in the future. Furthermore, pilot fatigue, aircraft maintenance, ground clearance, and training standards must be reviewed thoroughly. Are we prioritizing profit over safety? Are airlines cutting corners to save costs? Are oversight mechanisms robust enough to detect early warning signs? These are hard questions, but we must ask them if we are to restore public trust in our aviation system. Let this house not forget the emotional toll of this incident. Children orphaned, parents grieving, young dreams extinguished, all in a moment. The mental health of survivors, families, and even airline staff must be cared for. The government should consider offering counseling services and emotional support through professional agencies. We cannot look at this tragedy only through the lens of reports and data. It is also a human crisis. While Ahmedabad mourns today, tomorrow it could be another city. Therefore, the entire nation must learn from this. I urge this House to come together and recommend the formation of a bipartisan parliamentary committee to oversee aviation safety and policy reforms. We must bring in global aviation experts, safety analysts, and technologists to audit our current systems and suggest best practices. It is also time to leverage technology more efficiently. Artificial intelligence, real-time monitoring, predictive analysis, these tools can help prevent accidents by identifying potential faults before they become fatal. India is a leader in IT, and it is time we bring that strength to aviation safety as well. Let this be the turning point. Sir, I also want to commend the courage of the lone survivor, whose story has not only given us hope but also reminded us of the unpredictable nature of life and death. This young individual, against all odds, survived the inferno. His words recounting the moments before and after the crash will be vital in the investigation. He is not just a survivor but a voice for those who did not make it. We salute his strength and pray for his complete healing.